Hello, I'm Mark Chalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you an absolutely stunning 1941 Oldsmobile Series 66 Deluxe Convertible. This is a vehicle that you hardly ever see. Oldsmobile only produced 2,897 of these vehicles, which makes them extremely limited. I don't know how many exist, but there can't be many. This particular car has been a product of a complete restoration, body off. It's been painted in a beautiful color. It's called Miami Sand, kind of a white, darker white color. It's absolutely elegant. It's got white wall tires, fully custom, beautiful interior. It's got factory correct red leather. It's got all this beautiful wood grain, outstanding deluxe steering wheel. The engine compartment is highly detailed. It's home to the original 6-cylinder engine that absolutely purrs like a kitten. It's got a Hydramatic automatic transmission. This was really ahead of its time in the day. The undercarriage is really clean. This is an AACA First Prize winner. Just a super car that I'm really proud of. For a complete description with tons of photos, you got to check it out on our website at msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start the car, let you listen to how beautiful it runs. It starts every time, instantly.